Hi, have you ever wanted to be the very first person to live in a brand new home? Well, here is your chance. Welcome to 2320 North Taylor here in Springfield, Missouri. This home is still under construction, but we're getting close, and I'd like you to come on in and take a look. This home is conveniently located near shopping and restaurants. It's got a really great open floor plan. Everyone loves the open floor plans. It's got vinyl plank flooring throughout that you can see right here. Nice big living area. And here in the kitchen to the left is where your refrigerator will go. We do have the stove in and the kitchen sink now. Here's where your washer dryer will go. You can see that stove in some of the pictures that we have now online. Here is your front bedroom. And these bedrooms are a good size. Again, we have the vinyl plank flooring. Nice layout here. Here is your bathroom. Everything brand new. And here is your tub shower combo. Now we'll let you see the back bedroom. Again, these are good sized bedrooms. And this home also has 6-inch walls exterior. Great for new home construction. Again, take a look at those pictures to see the stove that we now have. And going out here, you can see that we have a nice parking pad. And we also have a patio here that you can enjoy. And the backyard, we're just getting that seated. And there you have 2320 North Taylor. Come on out and take a look. We look forward to seeing you.